And welcome back to Island Life Live. You know, Hawaii's premier home building and remodeling expo returns to the Blaisdell Exhibition Hall.
The BIA Hawaii Home Building and Remodeling Show is your one-stop shop to connect with trusted industry pros all under one roof. And here to tell us more about it is Mark Rinker. He's our Vice President of Customer Services. Aloha, Mark.
Aloha.
Hi.
From Gentry Homes, yeah?
Yes. Yep, Gentry Homes and our BIA Hawaii President.
Oh, he's the man right there.
That's why he got a big smile. And with him is Eric Baranda. He is our BIA Marketing and Events Manager. Gentlemen, thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, no, we are looking forward to the big show. We've attended it. We've been there before. Can you share with our viewers who might not know or have never been there why the home show matters now more than ever?
Oh yeah, sure, because Hawaii's housing market, you know the challenges that we face living here in Hawaii. So the home show, it puts local families in touch with people that can help them achieve what they want with their homes. You know, a lot of homeowners, they want to age in place, they want to remodel, renovate, or just have a multi-generational home. And the home show can help them start with that.
Oh, that is so cool. And I love when we get to go and kind of walk around and just kind of, you know, peruse the different vendors. I get excited about the new products. Like last year, I think we saw the washer and dryer.
The washer dryer in one. Yes, that was the one.
Yeah. What else can our attendees expect this year, Mark?
So we have, the booths include our top local builders, designers, suppliers, and service providers. And the really neat thing is it's all in one place, right?
Yes.
You can catch up on what's the energy efficiency, the kitchen and bath upgrades, the outdoor living trends, the, as he said, multi-generational design ideas. We have interactive exhibits. We're going to have expert-led seminars, prize giveaways. Who doesn't like a prize giveaway?
How come you look at me when you say
I did. I was like, I know you like.
He's a freebie kind of guy.
And then lots of interactive stuff for the entire family, including bringing back our Keiki Zone, which this year is being sponsored by Lowe's and Rainer Garage Doors and Services.
Awesome.
So we're super excited about that. The kids get to actually build something super neat. And then we are introducing something new this year called Paws and Pallets. And what that is our PAC program, our pre-apprenticeship construction training students are going to be mentored by a BIA Hawaii member. And together they are going to literally build a doghouse out of a wooden pallet. And we're going to do that in front of everybody. So fingers crossed. But yeah, we're really looking forward to it.
That is awesome. That's one lucky dog, I can tell you.
You guys got the permits already, huh?
I'll start with permits. Come on now, this is supposed to be friendly.
Now, you know, we've got viewers here that, you know, they're either planning renovations or they're looking for inspiration. Why is this particular show the one they should attend?
Well, like Mark said earlier, many of our vendors are BIA Hawaii members. So BIA Hawaii members, they're licensed professionals and they follow a code of ethics. So that's very important here in Hawaii because what you want to do is you want to find someone that understands the needs of the people here in Hawaii. So our BIA members, they live in Hawaii, work in Hawaii, and they understand those needs of the families and what those families need in their homes.
Well, I love the fact that BIA vets these people. So you don't just come sign up and say, I'm a BIA member.
No.
You folks vet them, and that allows us to walk into the show knowing that these people are trusted within your folks' organization, right?
Yeah, especially members like our headline sponsor, that would be Alice Construction, and our industry elite sponsors such as Gentry Homes, Armstrong Builders, and Castle & Cook. So they're really great organizations to work with, and we're proud to have them.
All right, the show is August 8th, 9th, and 10th. And if we go to the website, we can actually get a like a coupon to save some money, right?
Yeah.
Again,
there you go.
going for free stuff.
Free stuff. I should have known.
Talk about that a little bit. Okay, so it's $3 off if you go and download that coupon on the website. And then when you buy a ticket, it's good for all the days, right, Eric?
It is. All 3 days.
That's so cool.
So it's like a super pass. Yeah, so come on
So you can
down.
watch the doghouse being built from
Beginning to end.
That's
There
right.
you go.
all day long.
Yeah. If they're not, you know, you can heckle them if.
And we'll see you guys all 3 days too, I bet.
Well, you know, it's only $8 with a $3 off. Unreal. I love it. I love the savings. But I mostly love the fact that people can come through and they can dream. Even if you're not renovating, even if you're not building right now, just come in, dream, and see what's out there because you might not know until you walk the halls.
Or you might find a washer and dryer all in one and be amazed by that.
There
And
you
then
go.
Angels started singing, yeah, brother, like, oh.
How did they create this magic at the BIA show? Thank you guys so much again.
Thank you so much for having us. This has been a pleasure and an honor.
Mark and Eric. Awesome. All right, break time. And as we take this quick break, here's a reminder that we are giving away a family 4-pack of tickets.